You already lost your f***ing job.
Okay. Come on.
Bro, stop. Stop. The f*** is the matter with you?
Hey. Stop.
Take the cuffs off. Let's play.
Hey.
June 30th, 2025. A woman calls 911, reporting a drunk driver in a black Camaro chasing her through traffic. She drives straight to the police department. Officers are waiting. The charges: DUI second offense under Florida Statute 316-193. Driving while license suspended with knowledge, second offense under 322-34. And resisting without violence under 843-0-2.
Do we have a description?
He's not going for it. No, he's right here.
Right where?
No, that's him.
That's him?
Yeah, he's been following her for like the last
The white guy and all that Camaro.
Yeah, we're about to 1012, 1065 is Florida Tech. Black Camaro.
Her battery's dying.
What?
Bro, don't look me.
No. What's going on?
I thought her battery's dying. That's why I was...
At all.
No, for the bar. That's it. I'm not stalking her or anything. I thought she said earlier her battery died.
What bar did you come
How do
from?
you know her?
I don't.
So what brought you to this occasion thinking her battery died?
I thought she was going to her parents' house, and I was just... I thought I was doing the right thing.
And you have no idea who this person is?
I'm a nice dude.
Okay.
I'm a nice dude.
Do me a favor. Turn your car off.
No?
Yeah. We're going to turn your car off.
No, you're not.
And drink.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Do you want to do...
Here's what I want to ask, alright? No, I need to talk with you, okay? You're already here, you're on our campus, I have to ask you, okay? Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety exercises to try to cause me to believe that you are not impaired while driving? This will go to your benefit.
You can answer the question or just going to stay silent.
Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety
You can
exercises?
No, I'm not moving.
No, it's Fourth Amendment.
No,
You
it's
can
not.
do
It's
it.
not. It's not.
No,
the
no,
Fourth Amendment. Stop.
Don't. What's wrong with you?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Yes. Ow, God damn it. You just located my phone.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Definitely did not.
Yeah, you did. Let go of
Stop.
my hand.
He just
Let go of my hand.
Why? Because he dislocated my shoulder?
Definitely did not.
Really, bro?
Stop grabbing me.
You want to be a little...
Alright. We're gonna slide this hand up more. It's here. That's it. Let me just double lock and that's it.
I did nothing wrong. I really did nothing wrong.
Nope. I can smell the alcohol off of you. Okay?
I'm not fighting you right now. Why are you doing that? Why are you fighting?
242 dispatch. We're gonna have a white male in custody at this point. Hold him real quick. Yeah.
Do not pull me up on
Is that
my
mine or
shoulder.
yours?
Because I guarantee you, I will sue you. calm down, okay? My shit.
You too, man.
You know what?
All right, let's get
I
you
am
sitting up,
too.
okay?
You wanna play, bro?
Come on.
Nobody's playing.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Let's get you
man.
sitting up. Come on.
You gotta have my shoe.
Yes.
Look.
Stand up for your shoe.
No, just looking.
Come on.
Talk to me for a second.
For one,
Give your car keys.
I have my car keys. The car's just not on.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I still have mine on.
Yeah. Hold on.
Bro, I'm not a bad guy.
You're not.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you're a bad guy, brother.
I mean, but
You're saying you're a bad guy.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Like, listen, I get it.
No, you gotta understand.
It's understandable. I understand where you're coming from.
My brother, this is 45th anniversary of being in. I'm not.
It's okay. It's okay. You don't gotta talk,
I'm
brother.
not gonna pull.
You don't.
I'm not,
You don't have to.
I'm.
All right.
I never. No.
I know.
This right here is not
You
necessary.
seem like a good guy.
It's
all right?
not necessary. You let me go.
we're not letting you go right now at this point.
But hold on. Listen to me. Just listen to me.
Yeah, I got him.
Just listen to me. I'm not going anywhere.
I know you're not going nowhere.
Stop. I'm not going anywhere.
First of all, let's start off with this. What's your name, man? Where are we coming from today, bud?
Dispatch says you call 37, switch to
Girl's house.
Girl's house?
I can't even give you the address. I don't
Okay.
know.
No, that's fine. That's,
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay. Explain to me. I want to hear your side of the story. We got you in cuffs right now at this point. We need to know, why are you following this girl?
I didn't think it was that way. I really didn't think it was that way. Because she told me, she goes, come to my house. Now, and if I misunderstood it, that's my fault.
Okay.
I was not stalking her. That's
All right, well,
that's not the dude I am. It's not.
it is what it is.
If
All
you're
right.
not interested,
If you got your side keys, let's go in from the sideway and get them into the booking area.
I'm sorry, man. Hey,
Come on.
I get
Come
it,
on.
man.
stop,
Trust me,
stop,
I don't.
please.
Come on.
Please stop.
We're going this way.
I don't take anything.
I'm not going.
We're going this way. Come on.
Really, I'm not. Why? Unnecessary. It's really unnecessary.
Stop.
Stop doing that to me. I'm walking with you.
Yep.
Why you got to push me like that? You make it look like I'm fighting you. Guess what? No, that's what he wants to make it look like on his body cam.
No. We don't want to make it.
We're entering a restricted area at this point.
He's dead. He's dead.
He's not new. He's been on the job for a while.
Sit down. Sit.
Just take a seat, please.
Thank you.
Bro, why do you gotta be so...
Just take a seat. Relax. It's okay.
That's a lawsuit right here.
What?
It's a lawsuit.
It's a badge.
No, it's a lawsuit.
No,
It's a lawsuit.
Scooch over, buddy.
I'm not gonna let him do it. I'm gonna make him work for it.
Steve.
I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Let's not do this, all right?
I'm not moving. He's the one that's being an... Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
You really are.
Okay.
You're a Samoan with a little ding dong.
The girl then breaks down what led to this.
Tell me what in the world happened from the beginning of your interaction with this guy all the way to the point you came run into the PD saying, I need help. What transpired?
Okay, I was at a stoplight.
Okay.
Right? So I was sitting there, and then so I left a gap, like, because there was a little like out road right there, and you know how you're supposed to like leave a gap so the cars can get through. And so he like came really close to my car and just like got in front of me, and I looked and I was like, what the heck? I didn't say anything to him. My windows were up and I had my like shades on. So I was like, okay, whatever. The light turned and I was gonna turn anyways, like down the road, and so I got in the what is this, left turning lane. And so I pulled up, and he like was going in the straight lane still. So I like pulled around him, and then I was looking, and I was like, what the heck? And so I was like, and then I seen him like moving, and I was like, he got to be drunk, because nobody just like pulled like that kind of move.
Is there anything that stood out to you about him possibly being intoxicated?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, well,
okay. So on account he was like moving weird, like
just moving weird.
Okay, and then when I went down, so I turned, right, and I texted her. I was like, okay, f him, like I'm turning, like I'm not worried about it. I was like, somebody just cut me off, and I was like, it's whatever. So
Sure.
I turned, and then when I seen him, so then he like he got out of the straight lane to turn because I seen him a few minutes after, or like a few seconds after, and I was going, and then he was like, we got to another stoplight, and he turned around. I think it was like Twisted Tea or something. I don't know, but he had something, like some kind of drink, and he was reaching back to get another one, and he was drinking it.
What color was the can?
It looked yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what it looked like. And so then he was drinking something. I don't know.
Yes.
And then as we were going straight, mind you, like I'm like, okay, that's weird. Like, so I'm starting to speed up a little bit, and he's speeding, and he's hitting the curbs, like full on hitting the curbs, and I'm like, okay. So then that's when I call her. I'm like, this dude is like drunk or like on drugs or something.
Sure,
like,
sure.
And so I'm now at this point I'm like speeding. I'm getting like anxious because like now I'm like trying to go in and out of like lanes, like and like to see if it's like, am I just tripping or is he actually following me? And so mind you, no, we didn't speak. We didn't make eye contact this whole time. Mind you, like I have on my sunglasses. So then I get to a point and I'm like, I take off my sunglasses. I'm like, okay, he's actually following me. So I try to get like some kind of description, but his windows are kind of tinted. So I'm like, okay, so I'm just keep going straight, and then I turn again on 41.
Okay.
So I turn on this road and at the Wawa, by the Wawa at the corner, and so I turn left again, and then I'm like. At this point, I'm basically speeding down the road. And I'm like, okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And I'm on the phone with her, and she's like, okay, well, I send her my location. She comes, and then she's like, and then, yeah. So, and I'm just speeding all the way here. And then I got here, and then he was like, still following. And he like, oh, we stopped at another stoplight, and he almost hit some bikes. Like, I got in front of the like motorcycle person, and like he almost hit them. He was honking at them to like move out of the way.
Okay.
Or I don't know if that's what
All right.
That's what it says.
Well, thank you first of all for coming to us, and the second that you needed help, you did the right thing.
Thank y'all for being quick.
I'm glad that you're all right. I'm just trying to figure out. So you said he was following you. When I got out there was nobody out there. And then all of a sudden, your sister?
No.
No.
My sister knows. That's okay.
No, I'm trying to make sure.
No, you're good. You're good.
Is it? I'm trying to figure.
Yeah.
How are you related, friend?
Yeah, that's my friend.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I just for the report, so I want to get it clear.
Yeah.
So your friend all of a sudden then came up, and then I saw the Camaro,
Yeah.
and I didn't know what was going on.
Yeah.
All I got was, hey, there was a guy chasing me.
Yeah.
I didn't know what I'm looking for other than I just went out there looking for a guy, and then there was nobody. So then when I get out there, then I see your friend roll up,
Yes.
and then she's like, yo, it's this dude.
Yeah.
So how
She's like-
how did he get behind her?
So
Like,
she-
where did the delay happen? That's what I'm trying to
So
figure
right
out.
down there at like the racetrack, I think that is.
So at
a little bit
Pearl?
farther down.
Okay, so yeah,
So-
a little bit further
Yeah, like
past the racetrack.
Yeah.
Okay,
that
that's
way.
fine.
She seen me because I sent her my location. I'm like, I don't know what
Yeah,
to do.
yeah, yeah.
So she seen me
Yep.
and she like
So she turned
met,
around.
Yeah, she met with me like, and then like she intercepted kind of and like got
Okay.
The 911 call alone establishes reasonable suspicion. Under Navarette versus California, 2014, a report of erratic driving justifies an investigatory stop. Here it's even stronger. The victim is present, the suspect vehicle is identified, and he drove himself to the police. When asked to perform field sobriety exercises, the suspect refuses and says, quote, "It's Fourth Amendment, you can't. This is wrong." FSEs are voluntary requests, not searches. The Fourth Amendment does not apply. However, refusal carries consequences. Under Florida's Implied Consent Statute, 316, 1932, refusing testing triggers automatic license suspension, and the refusal itself is admissible as evidence of impairment at trial. Officers can still arrest based on other indicators. Here, erratic driving per the 911 call, odor of alcohol detected at the window, the victim's observation of him drinking while driving, and a prior DUI on record. The suspect physically resists handcuffing and claims officers dislocated his shoulder. Under Graham versus Connor, the force used verbal commands, escort to ground, handcuffs is evaluated from a reasonable officer's perspective facing an actively non-compliant, impaired subject. During transport, the suspect says, quote, "Make it look like I'm fighting him, that's what he wants on his body cam." Then later, "Take the cuffs off, let's play." That language implies a physical challenge and borders on resisting with violence under 843, 0-1. Officers appropriately decline to escalate. The distinction matters. Section 843, 0-2 without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year in jail. Section 0 to 1 with violence is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years. The suspect admits to following the victim from a bar, claiming she invited him to her home. He cannot provide the address. His conduct, hitting curbs, cutting off drivers, honking at motorcyclists, far exceeds any reasonable interpretation of a consensual invitation. Under Florida Stalking Statute 784-048, willfully and repeatedly following another person constitutes stalking, a first-degree misdemeanor. He was not charged with it, but the elements were arguably met. As a second offense DUI, penalties increase significantly. Minimum 10 days jail if within 5 years of the first offense. Fine of $1,000 to $2,000. 5-year license revocation. Mandatory 2-year ignition interlock. And mandatory substance abuse treatment. He was also driving on a suspended license for the second time. Under 322-34, a second offense is a first-degree misdemeanor. Up to 1 year in jail. Plus an open container citation under 316-1936, corroborated by the victim's description of a yellow and blue can consistent with twisted tea.
Bro, I don't have anything.
We have to check, bud.
Well, he just checked.
Stop. Stop.
See,
Stop.
now,
Relax.
see what he wants to do? See?
Okay. We have to search. It's simple as
He
that.
can search it.
Fine.
You're not fucking touching me.
Just
You've already done it twice.
You want gloves?
You've already done it. You've already lost your fucking job.
Okay. Come on.
Bro, stop. Stop. The fuck is the matter with you?
Go on.
Hey. Stop. Stop.
Take the cuffs off.
Stop.
Let's play.
Hey. It's not worth it right now. Come
Take
on.
the cuffs off.
No.
Let's play.
No. Steve, you're making...
I know. But you don't.
Okay.
You want me to go
Listen,
somewhere?
I got you. It's me and you. That's it. It's me and you. All right? That's it. Can you sit down in the car for me?
You want me to go somewhere? Ask.
Okay.
Don't push me.
That's why I'm
Don't push
talking.
me. I'll do anything you want.
Thank you. You got it? Do you want the seatbelt on?
Is he a dumb driver?
Hopefully not.
Grades. The lead officer, B+. Strong de-escalation post-arrest, shared veteran status to build rapport, empathy without capitulation. Correct response to the Fourth Amendment misunderstanding. Minor gap. The suspect's engine stayed running during initial contact, creating a flight risk. The assisting officer, B-. Proper handcuff application and control techniques. But multiple complaints about excessive pushing during transport and no documented medical evaluation offer after the shoulder injury claim. The suspect, a D. Second offense DUI. Second offense suspended license. Aggressive pursuit of a stranger. Refused every lawful request. Threatened officers. Challenged them to fight. The only reason this isn't an F is the absence of actual violence. The victim, an A. Changed lanes to confirm pursuit. Shared her location with a friend. Drove to the police station. Provided a detailed, consistent witness statement. Model response to a threatening situation. The department, B+. Prompt response. Proper DUI protocol. Appropriate charging decisions. Minor deduction for not considering a stalking charge given the victim's experience. Lessons. 1. The Fourth Amendment does not protect you from field sobriety requests. You can refuse, but the refusal becomes evidence against you and triggers automatic license suspension. 2. If someone is following you aggressively, do what this victim did. Do not stop. Do not engage. Drive to the nearest police station, fire station, or any location with a public safety presence. 3. A second DUI in Florida is not a slap on the wrist. Mandatory jail, 5-year license revocation, ignition interlock, substance abuse treatment. The penalties exist because the behavior is lethal. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police and courtroom content.